Hello, Vonda. Max here. Hey, I just wanted to go over these three things that you wanted me to make your lessons for. The first one here, include a picture in the sidebar on your WordPress, and then subscribe and add blogs that you read, and then include all your social networks into your WordPress. So I'm going to show you how to do the first one right now, to include a picture in your sidebar, a picture of you, or whatever else you want to do. And you know what? We're going to put it right here, right above this search bar. Now we're going to log into our WordPress and get started. And the dashboard will show up. And we'll scroll down here to where it says plugins and then select add new. And there's a nifty little widget here. It's called the Image Widget. And we're going to go ahead and search plugins for the Image Widget. There's a few things that we want to check over to make sure it's the plugin that we want, that it's safe. Number one, it looks like it's based on 136 ratings with almost 5 stars, and it's by Modern Tribe Incorporated. So once you establish that, you want to click Install Now. Be sure you install this plugin. Click OK. Go to Install, and then of course we'll have to activate the plugin. And then once the plugin is activated, we want to go to Appearance, hover over Appearance, and click on Widgets. And we'll see here in our widgets, the Image Widget appears. And then here's our main sidebar over here. You can see that we have search here, and that would be this search little box right here. So we're going to take this Image Widget, we're going to drag, and we're going to drop that right on top of the search here. And we'll call this first one the Allegheny River. And we'll add an image here of the Allegheny River from my computer. And we'll hit Select Files. Of course, you can drop files there too if you wish. And this is a nice little picture that we took from a canoe going down the Allegheny River. Once the picture is uploaded, they're going to give you some options. You can enter a title, alternate text, the caption for the image, and description. I recommend that you fill all those out for SEO purposes, but of course I'm not interested in that right now. I just want to show you how to operate this. So I'm going to click Insert into the widget. Now you notice the size here is 300 by 225, and let me show you how to adjust that size too. So right now we see the Allegheny River, and we'll also add that as the caption. And we see here that there's a link to the picture file itself. We see that's a JPEG file. It's going to open in a new window. We want it to open in the new window there. The width, that's 300 by 225 height. Now I want you to notice something here. If I adjust this and I hit Tab, it automatically adjusts the height. So that's another good thing about this widget. You can align it to the left, center, or right. And then, of course, here's the alternate text. But notice it was 300 when we started. And so we're going to click Save because I'm going to show you something that you might be interested in the future. If you scroll down, if we go back to our main page and click Refresh, we should see the image pop up there. But there's going to be a little issue here. We can see that the picture is a little bit too wide. See, it's hanging over here. That's because this column here is only 250 pixels wide. So we want to make it even a little bit smaller than that. So let's make this the width maybe, let's say 230. We'll click the tab and then click the tab again, and then it will automatically adjust the height. We'll click Save. We'll go back to the home page, refresh it. And then you can see that the image looks a little bit nicer there on the side. So, and if we click on the image, we can see that it brings up another URL, a link directly to that image, so you can see a larger image of it. You can put as many images as you want to in there. You can keep adding them, but whether it be a picture of yourself or something else that you want to show. But that's how you put images in the sidebar of your WordPress blog.